Hi, my name is Nikki Hyatt and I'm with Solano County Library. I work at the Fairfield Civic Center, and today we are going to do block poetry in honor of National Poetry Month. Okay, so here are some examples. We can go over them at the end. So what do you need? You need your kit, which you can pick up at any of our branches. So the kits come with multiple pages. They even have Spanish in some of them, and they'll come with instructions, and then you get a marker as well. So you don't have to use our markers. You can use paint. You can use other crafty things you might have at your house, but today we're going to use a marker. So once you've chosen your page that you want to use, you go through and you circle and underline lightly the things, the phrases and words that really stand out to you the most. So we have finished our underlining, we have finished writing it out. So I'm going to read it out loud to see how it makes sense, or if I need to change anything. Going through my page, it was a little sad, so I made it a love story. She was hovering, impossible to believe. Her voice, her lovely face. He was thinking about her. He was a handsome, vital man. Is there any change? None. He was in love with her. So now that my poem is perfect and I like it the way it is, I have it written down for later, but I'm gonna go in on this page and mark out everything that is not what I wrote down, that I circled or underlined. So now we have our block poem, and it says exactly what I have it written down. So at this part, you can be more creative. You can choose to do a collage. You can choose to use paint or different type of markers. But for today's purposes, we use the black. And mine is done. And now you know how to do yours. So once you create yours, what we want you to do is tag us on Instagram or Facebook. We also have a TikTok, so if you'd like to do a recording of it, we'd love to see your process. So if you want to do a hashtag, it's hashtag SCL BlackOut Poetry or hashtag National Poetry Month. And we will love to hear from you, love to see your poems, and thank you for spending your time with me, and we will see you soon.
Rush, empty, dispensing, stores, a success story, American dream, rushing, 6 big drum machines, churning, pressing, hissing, winding, sweating. I couldn't see him, annoyed about it, coming and going, occasionally. La mujer solo, mi vista, ambiente navideño. 3 veces, muy solo en su dormitorio. Muy nervioso. Dios, me pregunto, darle fuerza. Nos hemos restado. Puedes creer, últimamente, la vida está cara significa.